Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat chasing a butterfly. So here you can see that I'm using my gray pen to draw a cat chasing a butterfly. I'm starting with its head. Here's its two tiny ears. This is its hand. Here's another one. And now I'm drawing its legs. It has a long tail. And this is its belly. I'm coloring its tail with the same gray pen. And I'm drawing its eyes. To do that, I'm using my pencil. Here's my gray pen again. Here's my pink pen. This time I will be using my black pen to draw inside its eyes. Now let's draw the butterfly. To draw the butterfly, I'm using my black pen. Now I'm drawing its mustache. Now I'm using my same gray pen again. Now I'm coloring in its belly. To do the coloring, I'm using the same gray pen. Now I'm using my pencil. Now I'm drawing the butterfly with my pencil. Now I'm using my black pen. Now I'm using my yellow pen. In the wings of the butterfly, I'm using my pink pen. I'm using yellow again. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.